A very good evening to everyone. Welcome to Global Online. And here we are back with our session for the day. So, as you all know that nowadays we are doing a session with respect to exam analysis. So, today also we have a session which is based on exam analysis. So, this exam analysis is for your UGC NTA NET examination that is going on with this December cycle. In this week we had examinations from 11th to 14th, so this is an analysis which I'm doing. It's for 13th December paper. At the same time, I will be telling you the important topics which has to be revised for your upcoming examination that is falling tomorrow, that is 14th of December. So make sure that you are watching this video, which is not very lengthy. This video will help you just to ensure that what topics you need to revise and go for your examination, which is scheduled for tomorrow. So before we go for that, any students who are interested, okay, because for the exam, any quick revision PDF. So we do have this quick revision PDF in the form of question bank. Now this revision PDF is in the form of updated MCQs, where the MCQs are till till June 2023 cycle. Unit wise also MCQs are available, short notes are available, most repeated MCQs are available, and this will really give you a target of 80 plus in your paper 1 with a fee cost of rupees 699. You can get in touch with us on the given WhatsApp number and you can feel free to get your questions clarified. So now, yes, let's go with your session for the day. So, starting with our teaching aptitude. So, we'll start with the topic of teaching aptitude as your first unit. So, in teaching aptitude, what exactly, yeah, in teaching aptitude, what exactly topics you need to clarify? Just a second. Yes, let me just, you know, shift, which is 1 and 2. So, we are talking about what? We are talking about the first unit itself, which is basically the first unit, which is based on the topic, which is TA. So I'll just make sure that, yeah, okay. Now, teaching aptitudes. On teaching aptitude, which were the topics? Now, see, the students who have appeared for the paper last week, also the students who have appeared for the paper this week. So, let me tell you this, there are definitely questions coming on Swayam Prabha. There was some question on Swayam. Exactly, the student was not able to tell what exactly the question is. So, yesterday you saw characteristics of teaching was there. Therein you have understood very well, which I've been telling from day one when I'm doing analysis video, that teaching aptitude and communication units are integrated. So you are definitely going to see the questions which are based with um, the characteristics, the qualities of teacher with respect to teaching aptitude. Even in one of the I mean to say one of the cycle, there was a question based on assessment tools, latest tools which are used for classroom. Showed there was a topic, Kahoot there was a topic, Quizlet there was a topic. And now if you see their alternative days or shift wise, they're going. So teaching aptitude tomorrow, those who are going for examination, teaching aptitude tools, digital initiatives, Swayam Prabha, you have to revise it very well, right? I'll come to communication. Just now I started with communication. So communication also I'll take. And as I said, these are both integrated, but individual one or two questions can be integrated. Rest of the questions are specific unit wise. So there was a topic based on analog communication. Then there was a topic which was based on mediated communication. Now, yes, this I have done in my regular classes also, when I was teaching you theory, when I was teaching you MCQs. So it is very important that those students who have been regular in their studies with the preparation, so whether it was from last 3 months, whether it was 2 months rigorously you have done your preparation, you could definitely see that if you have not dropped any topic, you have gone through the topics and you have taken the topics properly, definitely you will crack the examination. But it should be consistent. There should be consistency in your preparation. At the same time, you have to upgrade. Maybe some of you have taken the notes which are 1 year back. So make sure that the books are valuable, but you have to ensure that you are also going through some upgraded content, which is very, very important, right? Then Coming to the questions, yes, coming to the topics of DI and RC. So yes, DI, now this is what we have been hearing since last week also. Both these topics are coming easy. I mean to say it's not very easy, I can say, to moderate level. The only thing is that in DI, your practice will definitely make sure that you are doing your well, and in fact, you are scoring your 20 marks properly. So the question was based on percentage over here, but how faster you have grabbed the calculations. I mean to say the speed of your calculation, whether you have done it very correctly or not, how you have practiced. So it will save your time and it will help you to calculate the given questions and move on forward. Same way with RC also, that is reading comprehension. Students know that the comprehension is based on some economical topic, some climate change topic. So students who are good at vocabulary, students who are good at reading, scanning, especially scrolling the screen. I have been telling you this since last week itself. In fact, we keep on saying this before your examination, that near when your examination is nearby, practice the things on your screen. So scrolling the screen becomes much more easier rather than going for a physical practice. So yes, RC was also easy. Now, when I say easy, it doesn't mean that it was, of no worth at all. Easy, it means the students who are good with their communication, reading, and vocabulary, for them, it will be very easy. And especially those who practice RC1, RC every day, at least you should ensure that alternate days you read one paragraph, right? Then coming to the next topic, that is ICT. Now, yes, every cycle, in fact, in every shift, including last week also, except one or two shift, ICT questions are taking lot of foundation. So here we had a very simple start of this topic, that is full forms of LED and LCD. Even this I have done in my practice MCQs very well. So that's what, whenever MCQs are coming up, okay, including your previous year questions, you should ensure that you are giving a proper concentration. Now there is a trick which was being told to you when you do your MCQs, that is practice MCQs and previous year question. When the question comes, read the question very carefully along with the options. Now, why I'm saying read the question very carefully? Because in some shifts, it is just seen that the questions are similar, but they are twisted, and some part is just changed just to put you in a fix. Okay, what will be the right answer? So this has also been repeated in the sense, I'm not telling exactly the same question, but yes, similarity index is very much high. Only a small twist and turn at times is seen in the question. So LED and LCD full form, they've asked you something with respect to utility software. Now, the utility software, basically, this question was on antivirus. So, virus, spam, spoofing, all these topics, specially, were taught to you. Then, conversion of hexadecimal to binary. So, this was also being seen. And now, numerical sums in ICT was a part, it's all a definite part in your examination, which was seen very well. Then, yes, based on ICT, BIOS, that was also question. RAM, ROM is again a regular pattern of question which is coming in the examination, right? Now, coming to the next part, okay, I'll just use this particular screen itself. So, coming to the part of uh, mathematical part, so the questions based on profit and loss, which are regular in every paper. Blood relation is also seen, it's a regular question. Number series, so you cannot ignore this part. And especially this, I have told 2 days back also, students who are not from the mathematical background and are planning that, okay, we will not, we will just leave this unit an option. You cannot survive or sustain without this unit. Direction, distance questions, all this were very common in the entire cycle, I mean, just shift. So whether it is a shift the exams which were conducted in last week, whether it was this week, these questions were very common, especially profit and loss, blood relation, questions based on direction, questions based on distance. These questions were very common. Okay, then next we have is your square of opposition. Even this question, from day one, you are seeing that square of opposition and fallacies, there is a question. So you have to ensure that you are preparing this question very well. Um, Coming to research variable, students did not very much were keen on memorizing what came, but yes, with respect to variables and sampling, there were the questions. Indian logic, when I speak about Indian logic, syllogism, Nyaya philosophy, the question was based on that, right? Now, coming to two more important units, that is, one is your higher education system and one is your PDE. Now, people development and environment, again, in people development and environment, since day one, I am seeing this topic is very common, ozone. The question on ozone is very, very, very common. So you should make sure that you are preparing yourself with this topic. Then the next question which was seen was Montreal Protocol. Now, see, yesterday there was a question on Keto Protocol. Before that, there was Montreal Protocol. So protocols should be very well revised. Conventions should be very well revised. A treaty should be very well revised. The question is coming out of that. Biological oxygen demand. Again, biological oxygen demand is one of the topic of your previous question paper only. Okay. So BOD, again, this was being asked in one of the cycle very regularly in all the shifts. So this is something, your previous year question papers and your practice questions really works out a best thing for you, but you should make sure that you're revising it very well, doing it very properly. Then coming to higher education system, with reference to higher education system, UGC first chairman. Okay, so now see first chairman, so they can ask you the latest chairman also. So you should be able to, know it very well. As I said, similarity of the question is fine, but yes, not exactly one and same. Commissions like Radhakrishnan Commission has been coming up, Hunter Commission has been coming up. So you need to revise this commissions also very well, the years also very well, the bodies also very well. As I said, the acronyms have been used. So this all things should be very well practiced properly. Now, students who are planning to go for June 2024 cycle, now let me tell you very well. Now, see, obviously, some students have appeared for the examination. Maybe the papers are not good. Let's keep the finger crossed. Your results are yet to be out. But in case if you have that intuition or something, it's okay. You can give you need to set plans. Your plan B should be also a part of your plan, so you can just start yourself. And there are students who couldn't do well, but yes, next set they have understood their mistakes. So we will be immediately from next week, we'll be starting with your, from 18th of December we'll be starting your new cycle, which will be consisting of daily live lectures exclusive in Hindi and English, full syllabus notes, mock test, question banks, latest question banks. All this will be available. Right now, we are giving a 20% discount, so the fee cost will be 3,600. From next week, it is expected to raise high to be high. You can download this with the help of Global Online app. You can download the app with the help of Google Play Store, register yourself, go for the course, select the course. Once the payment is done, you get an complete access to what is being listed on the app, and you have the WhatsApp details also. You can get in touch with us. Students, those who are having their paper tomorrow, all the best. Make sure the important topics which have been told you're revising and going. Let's see how things work out very well, right? So that's all for the day. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next class. Paper 2, if you are interested, we do have paper 2 notes and MCQs with a 20% discount. The list of the subjects is given. You can get in touch with for the same for paper 2 also on the given WhatsApp number. And that's all. See you tomorrow, everyone. Thank you, everyone.